Hello. I would like to invite you to our church on Sunday, July 19th. We are doing a sermon series right now that is being a Christian in the real world, and it's taking the things that we believe about faith, about our neighbors, about God, and translating them into real world situations. This week we are dealing with the virtual world, so it's being Christian in a virtual world. How do we translate our values into a digital space and the problems that we have doing that? Also, after worship, we are having a big assembly extravaganza, 270 items, all to give away to our neighbors in need. So please join us after worship for that.